Hi, this is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. So we have some tools that help us with instant mental resets, and here is one of them. What I want you to do is just for about 3 seconds, look around your environment when I say go, and I want you to count really quick the number of red things in your environment, okay? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3 seconds. Okay, so come on back. How many things in your environment are yellow? You asked me to look for red, Anna Christina. Yes, I did. And so I predisposed you to count the red things versus the yellow things. And so what we just did is we predisposed our focus. What happens is sometimes we miss what we need to see when we predispose our focus like that. But what we can also do is challenge ourselves in the positive way for an instant mental reset, and here's how it's going to work. We're going to predispose ourselves with powerful questions. We're going to predispose ourselves with radically resilient questions instead of the crappy, poor quality questions, and here's how it would work. Instead of asking a question like, what fresh hell is going to happen today? Oh, another day. What else are they going to do today? How else am I going to screw up today? Those are piss poor questions that are going to get you piss poor answers. Just being real blunt. So what we want to do is predispose ourselves to the positive side of it. So here's what it might sound like. You set yourself up for the day, right? The sun just came up here. I'm sitting in the backyard drinking hot tea, and I'm going to predispose myself, and I'm going to say, what do I get to see today that will lift me up? How do I get to hold a fresh perspective today on the problem of yesterday? How will I hear other people, and how will I sound in order to bring hope and encouragement into the situation? What am I going to hold on to? Or how will I grab hold of the beauty in the middle of the ashes? Right? We're not denying that there's hard situations. We're not denying that there's tough situations. What we're doing is predisposing ourselves to see the good in the situation, and it creates an instant mental reset, doesn't it? This is Anna Christina with Tools of Hope, and I'm sharing those tools with the Resilience Builders. See you in the next video.